Buying Nike running shoes in 2026 sounds easy, until you realize the same brand makes shoes for beginners, marathon racers, daily training, speed workouts, and max cushioning. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 Nike running shoes in 2026 that actually make sense for different runners, from the beginner-friendly Pegasus to the record-breaking Alphafly. And honestly, the #1 pick is not just about speed. Let's get into it. Before you pick a Nike running shoe, match the shoe to how you actually run. Tip 1. For daily training, choose comfort, durability, and cushioning before chasing race day speed. Tip 2. For racing or PR attempts, look for Nike's carbon-plated shoes with Zoom X foam. Tip 3. For beginners, pick a stable, comfortable shoe that feels natural instead of overly aggressive. And now, let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the Nike Vomero Premium. This is for runners who want Nike's softest, bounciest shoe for recovery miles, long runs, and everyday comfort. The Vomero Premium has a tall midsole, padded upper, soft collar, and wide base. It feels premium, protective, and built for comfort over speed. The huge Zoom X midsole and Air Zoom units create a soft, springy ride. It feels smooth, cushioned, and fun for slow daily miles. This shoe is great for protecting tired legs during high mileage weeks. It also feels more stable than expected for such a high-stack shoe. Now, here's where I have to be honest with you. It costs more than many daily trainers, and the weight makes it less ideal for faster runs or speed workouts. Most runners will love the soft cushioning, bounce, and leg-saving feel. But lighter, cheaper shoes may be more practical for daily training. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want maximum cushioning for easy runs, recovery days, and long, comfort-focused miles. Don't buy it if you want a lightweight speed shoe or a budget-friendly daily trainer. But if you want something more versatile for everyday runs, the next Nike shoe is a much easier pick. Coming in at number 4, the Nike Zoom Fly 6. This is for runners who want one Nike shoe that can handle daily runs, tempo sessions, long runs, and even race day. The Zoom Fly 6 has a woven mesh upper, padded heel, and improved fit. It feels more comfortable for training than Nike's aggressive racing shoes. Nike uses Zoom X foam, SRO2 foam, and a full-length carbon plate. The result is a responsive, bouncy ride that still feels stable. This shoe works well for faster training, steady runs, and long-distance pacing. It feels especially strong when locking into a fast rhythm. Now, here's where I have to be honest with you. It is fast, but not as nimble as lighter racing shoes. For short speed sessions, it can feel a little big. Most runners will like the comfort, bounce, and speed. But pure racers may still prefer Vaporfly or Alphafly for maximum race day performance. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a comfortable plated trainer for tempo runs, long runs, and mixed training. Don't buy it if you want the lightest race shoe for short, fast events. But if your main goal is pure race day speed, the next Nike shoe takes performance to another level. Coming in at number 3, the Nike Alphafly 3. This is for runners who want serious speed, marathon comfort, and Nike's most advanced racing setup. The Alphafly 3 uses a breathable atom knit upper, secure laces, and a lighter build than past Alphafly models. It feels locked in for fast running. Nike combines Zoom X foam, 4-foot Air Zoom pods, and a full-length carbon plate. The ride feels fast, smooth, and aggressive. The continuous midsole helps create a quicker heel-to-toe transition. It works especially well for marathons, long races, and hard training sessions. Now, here's where I have to be honest with you. It costs more than most carbon shoes, and it is not ideal for walking, casual use, or relaxed daily training. Most serious runners will love the speed, efficiency, and marathon protection, but some may miss the bouncier feel of older Alphafly models. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want Nike's top racing shoe for marathons, half marathons, and PR attempts. Don't buy it if you need an everyday trainer or a cheaper carbon-plated racing shoe. But if you want race day speed in a slightly simpler and more lightweight package, the next Nike shoe may be the smarter pick. Coming in at number 2, the Nike Pegasus 42. This is for new runners who want a comfortable, reliable, and durable daily trainer without jumping into expensive race shoes. The Pegasus 42 has a breathable mesh upper, padded tongue, secure fit, and strong rubber outsole. It feels familiar, simple, and built for daily miles. Nike added a full-length Air Zoom unit with React X foam. The ride feels smoother, slightly livelier, and more natural through each step. It works well for easy runs, light progression runs, walking, and beginner training plans. The outsole also gives good grip and durability. Now, here's where I have to be honest with you. It is comfortable, but not as soft, light, or energetic as some newer daily trainers from Nike and other brands. Most beginners will like the comfort, durability, and value, but experienced runners may want more bounce, lighter weight, or extra cushioning. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a dependable Nike running shoe for beginner miles, easy runs, and everyday training. Don't buy it if you want maximum cushioning, race day speed, or the lightest daily trainer. But if you want the best overall Nike running shoe for comfort, bounce, and daily mileage, the number 1 pick is the one to watch. Coming in at number 1, the Nike Vomero Plus. This is for runners who want one Nike shoe that feels cushioned, bouncy, comfortable, and versatile for daily mileage. The Vomero Plus has a lightweight upper, padded tongue, soft collar, and roomy fit. It feels comfortable straight out of the box. Nike uses a thick layer of Zoom X foam for soft landings and energetic rebound. It feels protective, smooth, and surprisingly lively. This shoe is best for daily training, recovery runs, and long road miles, but it can still pick up the pace when needed. Now, here's where I have to be honest with you. It is cushioned and versatile, but it still feels big. For track work or sharp cornering, lighter shoes will feel quicker. Most runners will enjoy the comfort, bounce, and stable feel. It works for beginners and experienced runners who want daily protection. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want the best overall Nike shoe for comfort, daily mileage, and long, easy runs. Don't buy it if you want a lightweight racing shoe or a low-profile trainer. And that's why the Vomero Plus takes the number 1 spot for most runners in 2026. And that wraps up our top 5 Nike running shoes for 2026. Whether you need beginner comfort, daily cushioning, plated training speed, or a serious race day shoe, Nike has something for every runner. Check the links below for current prices. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more honest running shoe guides.